What's up, everybody? Sal, the investor here, back at it again. Kind of doing my boardwalk from the office. Walking around the neighborhood behind it. And just trying to get extra steps in. You know, because sitting in the office is just too boring sometimes for me. So, walking out here. Welcome back. We're here. Nice day. It's a little cool where I am. Nice, strong, cool breeze. But if you're like me, you woke up, markets were up, everything was up. If you have crypto, especially if you're an XRP holder, you made 15%. So let me just put it to you this way. If you had $10,000 in XRP, you woke up today with an extra $1,500, which is what I generally do. I like to cash out some profits and stow them away for later use. But you have XRP up, you're pulling the whole market up. There was 3 specific coins relative to the SEC cases that are all up. So I think we're in for a good treat. A little relief rally so you can make some profits. But if you did what I did a few days ago when it hit 32, you bought in. So I put a little bit more in, like another 1,300 in, and I instantly saw an increase. Now XRP for me, I took a little profits because I'm waiting for it to go back down to 30 cents a coin and go back in. But you know, might just hold it or put it into something else. Atom is another one. It's been on the tear up, so I haven't put any more money into it, but it's just been making its own money back. Usually I'm getting a good 2 or 3 Atom a month off of staking, so I'm not too worried about it. So just keep growing it, keep dollar cost averaging in. However, when you have days like this where it's a rapid increase, you don't want to put too much money in. You don't want to do that, because now you're kind of buying in to the upward swing. So after all this forward momentum is done, you're going to lose all the money that you put in. That's where people lose and think it's a scam. What I recommend you do is when you see just down a couple days of downtrending, you start dollar cost averaging in. So if you have $1,000 to put in, put 100 in. Next day, drops again, put another 100. Drops again, put another 100. But then when you start seeing it increase, because let me tell you, those increases usually are higher than the drops consistently. And more people are getting into investing every day, every year. So you just can't see it going down to forever. But I just want to say, you guys, if you were up this morning, congrats on picking right. To get some of your profits in while you can, move a little bit of money around. Like I said, what I usually do is I take my profits, put them on the sidelines. I usually use Wealthfront, put it all to cash, let it sit there. I don't do any of that stable coin investing. I don't move crypto to stable coin. I take it as cash, put it away. Now people say, well, you got to pay taxes on that. True. But if I'm holding it to reinvest, I can furlough the taxes. But, get with a financial advisor. You want to make sure that you have a firm grasp of understanding, because at the end of the year, yes, I do have to pay my taxes. So you just want to be careful with that and make sure you're calculating and monitoring it. I normally put in, I would say like, if I take about $2,000 profit, I take $1,000 out, put it aside as cash for taxes, but the other side back in, waiting to be redeployed. That's now you do. Now I'm generally going to be over what my taxes are. If I do 50% withholdings of all my profits, I should be fine, and that's what I suggest that you do too. Or let's just say it's 60, let's just say 60%, put 65% away. You always want that little bit of cushion, just in case. there's a mistake or you got to pay something right away. It's all there. But with that said, you guys, stay safe out there, trade wisely, do your research, never invest more than you can afford. Always contact a financial advisor when you need some understanding or help. Never be ashamed to go get help. They are financial advisors for a reason. They have great experience. I myself have a financial advisor that does both my business and personal, so I always recommend that you do. When you get into the next level tax bracket, make sure you get an accountant too. A trustworthy accountant. Make sure you have one of those. But with that said, be safe out there, respect the process, do your due diligence, never invest more than you can. I'll chat with you guys later.